Welcome to part 2. In this part of the video we will be looking at putting a CO2 cylinder into the gun and loading it with BBs. It's a very simple operation. As you can see here on the bottom of the grip, there's a little indent for you to put your finger in, and just with a bit of effort that will pull away, like so. Once that's pulled away, unwind the bottom of the gun, slot the CO2 into the hole, and then wind it in nice and tight. You will hear a slight piercing sound. You can sometimes hear a little bit of the gas escape whilst you do this. If you do, just keep twisting and tighten it up nice and tight. You don't need to overdo this, you just need to make sure that it holds the CO2 in place. Return the cover back over the gun, like so. That's it, simple. You're ready to go. I always find the easiest way to load the BBs is just to tip some of the BBs out onto a flat surface. If you haven't got sort of a nice flat surface, I actually put mine normally in a lid of a airgun tin of pellets, in the lid of a tin of pellets. Just open the gun, take the bullets out, and I've already said it, but I'm really impressed with the feel of the gun. It's a really nice solid piece of kit. Once I've got the bullets out, all I do is on the hard surface, get the bullet, push it over the top of the BB, and just pop it into place. It should be flush with the end of the bullet there. Rinse and repeat that a few times, and then we're ready to go. Once the bullets are loaded up, get the gun, just pop them back in. And like so. As you can see from the accuracy test there, the gun performed pretty well. If you haven't seen part 1 of the video, please click here, and to keep up to date with all of our videos, please subscribe.